Alright, I've got my 4 pieces drawn out, laid out here. I have drilled the holes for the round dowels that will go in later. And now I'm going to use the scroll saw here to cut that out. A couple of things that you want to check first. First off, you want to make sure that this is in tension. So if it's down like that, it's loose. You want to pull it up. There's a gauge down here that tells you about what to set it to. I usually just pull it up until it's kind of firm and tight. You also want to make sure that this hold down clamp is just above the wood. That'll keep it from chattering. It'll also help keep your fingers away from the blade. You're going to keep them out here. This here blows air out to keep the dust off the material. You want to make sure that that's pointed towards there, but out of the way of where your material is going to go. Then when it's all ready, you can go ahead and turn the machine on. Alright, notice that I didn't cut all the way down through here. It's a little bit easier to do when you have more material to hold on to, so I'm just going to do these curved parts first. Go up to the line, stop, I'm going to back out. I'm going to move over to this side of the saw just so I get a better view. Alright, it's going to take a little sanding to make those smooth. I'm going to take my scrap pieces, throw them away. Clean up the saw a little bit with the broom, and I'm done.